without delving much into the issues of whether this was a reality TV show or acting and drama. Honorable Speaker, to confirm to the House and to the country that both the President, the Deputy President, and also the Prime Cabinet Secretary, all Cabinet Secretaries, and indeed even members of Parliament are well and adequately provided for in terms of budgetary allocations, including budgetary allocations for travel and staffing in all our respective offices. And Honorable Speaker, the Honorable Jared Okello will bear me witness that only last week on Thursday, Honorable Speaker, we did pass the supplementary appropriations bill, and also we are in the process now of finalizing the appropriations bill of the 2024-2025 financial year. And if any Kenyan looks into the books of accounts of the national government, you will realize that the office of the Deputy President is very well resourced. And indeed, Honorable Speaker, maybe it's good to just put it into perspective because the Honorable Jared Okello has raised the issue. And there are issues that touch on, as you have guided, on the budget of the office of the Deputy President or the presidency, issues that touch on security of the person of the Deputy President and that of the President. And also, Honorable Speaker, what the Honorable Junet has referred to as the honor and dignity that comes with the offices that we all hold, not just the President and Deputy President, but even us as members of Parliament. Honorable Speaker, in confirming that there are adequate resources, including resources for air transportation, Honorable Speaker, both for fixed airwing, aircraft, for helicopters, and even if the Deputy President opted to travel by sea, there are adequate resources for him to travel by sea, by SGR, or even by coast bus to any other bus, Honorable Speaker. And let me also say, Honorable Speaker, it is not unusual, because I don't know why anybody would think it's unusual for the Deputy President to travel with our national carrier, Kenya Airways. I have witnessed holders of that office in the person of William Ruto, our current president, use not just Kenya Airways. In fact, last week when he traveled to South Korea, he took a commercial airliner to South Korea to and fro. The only difference is that he never posed for any photograph anywhere. I have also witnessed when he was Deputy President, William Ruto traveled not just on Kenya Airways, but used jumbo jets to Mombasa, to Eldoret. He has used Skyward and Renegade, and the other, not 540, there's another airline that Safari Link to Masai Mara. And therefore, it is not unusual. I think the only unusual thing that happened yesterday, Honorable Speaker, and maybe that may have gotten the attention of the Honorable Jared Okello, was the Deputy President towing a bag, a new bag, brand new bag, as the Honorable Junet says, that could not even fit into the compartments in the aeroplane, towing the bag and posing for a photograph. But unfortunately, I think, Honorable Speaker, on matters touching on security, the Deputy President was also very well secured yesterday, and I can confirm that to the country. He had with him not less than 19 bodyguards, 14 of whom he was to travel with on that aircraft. Therefore, he had no problems with people to carry his bags. Let nobody think that the Deputy President had problems on people to carry his bags. He had not less than 3 photographers to take the photographs, Honorable Speaker.
Majority, yes.